Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Apex Legends freezing and stuttering. If you want to fix it, click here and then go to background apps. Now turn off this option and then go back and go to view advanced system settings and performance. Go to settings, adjust for best performance, then click apply and OK, and then go back and close it. And after that you go to GeForce Experience and now go to drivers, check for updates, make sure you have the latest update for your graphics card, and now go to settings, scroll down until you find here image scaling, enable this option, and after that restart your PC, and after starting your PC open task manager, and that's it. Now just close all the applications that you don't need, applications that you know what they do, and after that your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.